Hello everyone, welcome back to TidyStat YouTube channel. In this video, allow me to show you how to do reverse coding for Likert scale data in SPSS software. Reverse coding is a technique that we use to reverse the scoring of items in a Likert scale or other rating scale when necessary. This is typically done to ensure that all items in a scale measure the same underlying construct in the same direction. To do the reverse coding for Likert scale data in SPSS, the first thing that you must do is identify the items to reverse. In this case, you need to determine which items in your scale need to be reverse coded. This is usually done when those items are negatively worded or represent the opposite end of the construct being measured. Next, do the reverse coding process by using the SPSS features. SPSS provides two options for us to do the reverse coding. The first one is by using the recode into different variables features, and the second one is by using the compute features. I'll show you one by one. In this worksheet, I have 50 records of people's income level, and you see that at the variable view, the value of this Likert scale variable is 1 for extreme poor, 2 for poor, 3 for middle, 4 for rich, and 5 for extreme rich. We will do the reverse coding for this variable, and the result will be 1 for extreme rich, 2 for rich, 3 for middle, 4 for poor, and 5 for extreme poor. Let's reverse the code of this variable. We will use the recode into different variables method. Go to transform and select recode into different variables. You will see a dialog box appear on your screen, and at the left box, select the variable that we want to recode, click it, and then click the arrow button to transfer it to the variable box, and the output variable field, type the name of our new variable. Let's make the new name is income level underscore recode, and you can also add the label. Just copy the variable name for the label, okay, and don't forget to click the change button, and after that click old and new values option. Here you see two boxes at the left side and also at the right side. At the old value box, this is the place where you type your old value that you want to recode, and at the new value box, this is the place where you type the new value that you want to be recoded. Let's type the old value for 1 and recode it into 5. Click the add button, and then for 2, recode it into 4. Click the add button, and 3, just to make sure, recode it again into 3 or for the same numbers. And for old value 4, recode it into 2, and for the last one, for 5, recode it into 1. Click the add button. You see at the old to new box, your old variable has been reverse coded into a new value. 1 to 5, 2 to 4, 3 to 3, 4 for 2, and 5 for 1. Click continue, and then click OK. See, at the last column of your worksheet, you have a new variable that named income level underscore recode that contains the reverse code of your old variable. You see that here you are successfully reverse code 4 for 2, 5 for 1, 2 for 4, and so forth. After that, let's give the values for each levels of your new variables. Let's make 1 for extreme rich, 2 for rich, for rich, 3 for middle, 4 for poor, and 5 for extreme poor. click OK. Let's change the measurement level also, and let's reduce the decimals number here so we have a clear vision at the data view. Great. Now if you click the show the labels options here, your data has been reverse coded without changing the meaning of the labels. Great. Your reverse coding in SPSS is successful. The second method we can use to reverse code in SPSS is by using the compute feature. So go to transform, compute variable, and the target variable, let's give a new name of your new variable. Let's make it the income level underscore recode 2. You can also give a new label here. Let me just copy and paste it. Continue. And at the numeric expression, the formula is you need to remember the highest number of your code and add 1. After that, subtract it with the variable that you want to reverse. So because this is the highest value for the number is 5, let's add 1 for this expression and type 6, and then hit subtract and select the variable that we want to reverse and move it to the numeric expression box, and then click OK. See here, you have the same code that SPSS generated by using the compute feature. Next, let's recode our new variable so it has the same value labels. Go to variable view and let's set the value labels. 1 for extreme rich, 2 for rich, 3 for middle, 4 for poor, and 5 for extreme poor. Okay, let's change the measurement level to ordinal. Let's head back to the data view and reduce the decimals number here, and let's click the value labels option, and we have all same value labels for our new variables and also our old or original variables, which has been reverse coded. And that's it. See you in another video.